Follow these steps to install the handle on your Spectra cooler. You will need your machine's handle and the 4 screws that were packaged with the handle. These pieces are wrapped inside the machine. You will also need a non-powered Phillips screwdriver. We will now demonstrate the handle installation on the Spectra Pro. Begin by unlocking the cooler door with the key. Open the door. Peel off 4 plugs, 2 up here and 2 down here below the latch. Keep these covers for later. Find the power cable on the handle and connect it to the power cable on the front of the door. If the machine is powered on, you should see the handle illuminate. Gently place the cable back into the housing. Hold the handle in place while opening the door. Use the 4 screws and Phillips screwdriver to mount the handle in place. Place the screws inside the door. Don't fully tighten the screws until all the screws are in place. Then place the black covers back on.